I'm Caroline.
And I'm Fisher.
We're the Warrens.
And welcome to WillowWarrenFarms.
Fisher and I have been married a little over a year and a half. This is our golden retriever, Willow. She runs the place. And we now are expecting a boy and girl twins. We are 30 weeks pregnant. This is our little farm that we have in our backyard. We're growing onions, peppers. We've got some okra and spaghetti squash. These are two of our goats. We have Babs and Buster. They are brother and sister. And then this is our handsome little man, Bo. We have two English Angora bunnies. This is Sunny and this is Cher. They are just so cute and fluffy. These are some of our new chickens. But we also have some older chickens that lay eggs every day. They're out roaming the pastures. We also have a pear tree, an apple tree, and some figs that are blooming right now. And we have a little stamp for our eggs when we give our eggs out. That's our farm.